Hello everyone, good afternoon. So ito po yung house apartment na vacant. Yung bungalow type with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with garage. Yan ating subdivision. Good community and flood-free location. Yes, it's malapit sa highway. Yan, malapit din sa school at market. Vacant and ready for occupancy. Pinapaupa ang bahay with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with garage. May sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig, bagong renovate itong bahay, kakabakante lang po. Naka-tiles na ang flooring at bagong pintura. Ayan po, check po natin guys, kakalocate lang natin. Para sa mga naghahanap ng house and apartment for rent, ito po yung vacant, located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. So yun po yung parking niya. Ito naman yung balcony, parang pwede rin magtindahan dito. Yes, pets allowed din to. Yan. At yung subdivision guys, maluwag yung kalsada. Maganda yung bahay at maganda rin yung location, no? So maraming salamat ulit sa pagbisita dito sa ating page. Ulit, ito po yung house apartment for rent, vacant and ready for occupancy anytime for viewing. Bungalow type with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with garage, located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Yun lang po at maraming salamat. Paalam.